I love you.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you right now what my healthy plant-based toddler eats in a whole day. But first, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my other plant-based inspirational videos. We started her day, per usual on a weekend, with coconut water. She wakes up and asks for it like clockwork. And then I moved on to preparing her breakfast. She asked for a banana also. She really always asks for a banana or some sort of fruit when she wakes up. She also asks for her yogurt. We have been enjoying these Forager Project yogurts. They have all different types of flavors. I really love this one because it's plain and means I can add whatever I want to it, which is fun. I just sometimes like add a little bit of spirulina. It makes it a pretty blue color and adds some even more nutrients. It's already super healthy on its own. I just love to get in any superfoods while I can, whether that be in smoothies or in yogurt, and I add a little bit of maple syrup to the yogurt if it's plain, but if it's a flavor, then I don't add maple syrup. So it turns into this pretty blue color, and then she eats it. I moved on to attempting to make hash browns for the first time, which was interesting. Just started by peeling all the potatoes, and you see I've got a toddler on my hip, so that made it even easier, right? Berkeley was trying to eat an uncooked potato, soon found out she couldn't really do that.
I like potatoes.
You like potatoes?
I like potatoes.
Oh, potatoes noodles?
Yeah.
As you can see, I'm using a cheese grater to grate the potatoes all up, and Berkeley thought they looked like noodles and even ate a few while I was doing this. Oh well. It gets kind of messy, but that's okay. And once I got everything all grated up, I took a paper towel so I could get try to remove as much of the water as possible. While the hash browns were frying, I went ahead and got out the sprouted bread that I shared with you in a previous video that I found at Aldi's. Very healthy bread, and yeah, it's oil-free and made with sprouted grains. I only get whole grain bread. Put some bread in the oven, that way I can make some toast for her, adding some avocado on top. Great way to get the avocado in. She loves anything on toast. The toast is so great for her, and I've got a little bit of pink salt added, which helps to bring out the avocado flavor. You absolutely don't have to use pink salt. I just find it tastes a little better. And then I've got my chopped up apple slices that were already in the fridge, along with some leftover veggies. So I just put everything on the plate. The apple slices for the vitamin C, some of her yogurt, which she'd already ate a little bit of it, and then the avocado toast, and flipping the hash browns. Not exactly sure knowing what they're supposed to look like or how much they're supposed to fry, but it was the first time, and it was just an experiment, and they ended up tasting pretty good. I stored the rest of the avocado in the fridge, that way I could send it to the babysitter with Berkeley so she could have avocado toast over there one morning. And then here's her plate, her yogurt with her healthy spirulina. And the yogurt, might I add, is great because it's so good for gut health. It's got so many live cultures. I love that about the yogurt. And then I had oatmeal for myself, and she wanted to share. Love it when she wants to share because I'm eating only healthy foods as well. And so yeah, I'm always happy to share. We eat a lot of the same stuff most of the time. Later on, we were brought special soup from our dear friend. I had my wisdom teeth taken out on Friday, so this was great.
I want a soup.
You want a spoon?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you a spoon. Can you say spoon?
Soup.
Soup? Can you say it again? Say spoon.
Soup.
Berkeley is such a fan of noodles. She's always loved them, and they're so easy to prepare. I only buy chickpea, lentil, or brown rice noodles, or whole wheat also. The nutritional value is so much higher, more nutrient dense when you buy noodles made out of things like this. It's just so much better for your kid, for you. Consider buying different types of noodles. I promise it's everything. She woke up from her nap, wanted a banana. I didn't get to film this peanut butter on toast that she had because I was on a Zoom meeting. She literally took the peanut butter off and then asked for more peanut butter on top and then ate it again. Then we made some brown rice noodles, brown rice and quinoa noodles with this Good Foods plant-based tzatziki style sauce. It's an oil-free, but so good, whole food plant-based tzatziki sauce. And then I made her a green smoothie. I don't have any footage of the spinach here, with cacao, maple syrup, mango, almond milk. It was really good.
Was that so good? Is it so good? You a puppy?
Ruff, ruff.
Ruff, ruff.
Then she ended the evening with some frozen blueberries. So this is what she ate in a full day. Each day looks a little different. I just always try to include healthy starches, obviously veggies, fruit, all these sorts of things. Try to include the colors, and yeah. So it looks different from day to day, but I always feed her healthy, nutritious plant foods. If you enjoy watching my videos, feel free to go to buymeacoffee.com if you'd like to support my channel further. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.